Hello, good evening. My name is Ajay Baldwin. I am from Nagpur and I am recently completed my BE in JHLS College. And today's video topic is what are the different methods are present into the Java. First we can see in this session what are the types of the method, and then what are the access modifier are used into the method to the created the private, protected, public, and non-access modifier. It is also see and what are the we can use the access modifier and where we use the method into the to the access are provided by using to the access modifier are seen in this all this session. And then first we can see the predefined method. The predefined method are present into the Java. It is also called as a predefined method. This is provided to the object class present into the Java. This is the parent class of the all these Java classes. This is provide the different types of the predefined method into the string, also into the array. This is the first is a predefined method is a length. This is the method is used to the count the length. Then the second predefined method is to the uppercase, lowercase, then the contains with, ends with, start with, splits. Other different types of the method are present into the string to the provided into the parent class of the Java. This is called as a object class. And then we can see we can create the different types of the method by using to the we can create the second method type is the static method. The static method we can create by using to the static keyword. Once we can declare the static method is to the create by using static method. In the first static method are present into the Java is to the main method. This main method we can create the static because of this main method don't have created any object into the any other classes. That's the reason we can assign to the static keyword into the main method. Then we don't need to the create this object, and also it will be we are using to the static keyword also initialize to the memory into the by using to the static keyword we can initialize the memory into the heap memory, and also it is used to the static keywords. Then we can also different method are using to the created the static keywords. In this static method, although also the variable also present into the statics, and we can also create the different types of the variable, the statics. When we create the different types of the method are static, this static method, this variable are also access anywhere into the class means, so we can create the ones to the static keyword. Then this static keywords also we can static keywords we can also don't use into the local methods. Because of this static keywords we can use into the also local as well as static methods. Then we can see the different different types of method we can create it by using to the access modifier. This we can see the public access modifier are provided into the method. This public access modifier provide to the method. This method are also accessible into the class always. Then the outside of the class means package also accessible into package, and also it is accessible into the different package, and also into the word means it is a public access modifier we use to the method. It will be accessible into the anywhere into the words. Then we can second use to the private access modifier. Once we create the method as a private, this method will be accessible only to the classes. It is not accessible into the package, also into the different class, also into the different into the word are don't accessible the private methods. Then we can use the default also use to the default method. This method also accessible only to the this also accessible only to the this classes, and also it is accessible into the package, different package. Then we can create a protected. When we can create the protected method assigned to the access modifier, this method will be accessible into the class, into different classes. Then also accessible into the package. It is also useful, but it is not accessible into the word by using to the protect. It is a different types of the uses of the by using to the access modifier. We can access the method into the different types. Then we can see the different then we can see the probably then we can using the method we can achieve the method overriding. Then how to achieve the method overriding? This simply we can create the method same method in same name method. We create the one class, and we can achieve the method overriding to the same name and different parameters and different variable also by using, and different order also are the three variation we can create it, and then achieve the method overriding into the Java. So it is all about to the methods. So let's thank you and take care.